In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Amazon without buying any products up front. If you've ever wanted to start selling online but didn't have the money to invest in inventory, this is the method for you. I'll walk you through step by step how complete beginners are making money on Amazon without taking on the risk of holding stock or spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars before making a single sale. You don't need experience, and you don't need to buy any products to get started. The first thing you need to understand is that traditional Amazon selling usually requires a lot of upfront investment. Most sellers focus on finding a product, ordering inventory, creating packaging, and sending it to Amazon's fulfillment centers through FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. While FBA is amazing because Amazon handles storage, shipping, and customer service, it comes with a significant cost. You have to buy inventory, manage cash flow to restock, and deal with the risk that the product might not sell at all. That's why so many beginners get discouraged or lose money before they even start. The key to selling on Amazon successfully isn't just about owning inventory. The real secret is getting your product listing ranked on the first page of search results. Just like Google or YouTube, the top results get the most clicks, and on Amazon, over 70% of all sales happen on the first page. So if you can get ranked there without buying any inventory, you can start making sales immediately. Amazon actually offers multiple ways to do this without spending a dime. The first method is using Amazon's Merch by Amazon program, also known as Merch on Demand. This allows you to sell custom-designed t-shirts, hoodies, and other merchandise without holding any inventory. You simply provide the design, and Amazon prints, ships, and handles customer service for you. The best part is, you don't need to be an artist or a designer. You can find popular design ideas on sites like Pinterest or Etsy, and either recreate them or hire someone to make them for just a few dollars. You can also use free tools like Canva to design your own products. Once uploaded, optimize your listings with relevant keywords, and Amazon will take care of the rest. You can test multiple designs at once, and the ones that sell start generating royalties immediately. The second method is Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, which allows you to create ebooks and sell them on Amazon without paying for inventory. The beauty of KDP is that you can publish free or low-cost ebooks targeting trending topics, niches, or common problems people are searching for. Tools like ChatGPT can even help you write these ebooks quickly. Once published, you can include affiliate links inside your books promoting other products. This way, when someone buys your ebook, they might also buy the affiliate product, and you earn a commission, all without ever buying or shipping a product yourself. Now, here's something most people forget. Presentation is everything on Amazon. Whether you're publishing a book or uploading a t-shirt design, the way your product looks will determine whether people click or scroll past. A professional book cover or an attractive mock-up can make a huge difference. The good news is that you don't have to spend a lot. Platforms like Canva, Placeit, or Fiverr can help you get high-quality designs and covers that look just as good as big brands. Another powerful tip is keyword optimization. Think of Amazon as a search engine. If your title, subtitle, or description doesn't include the words people are already typing, your listing won't show up. Simple tools like the Amazon search bar autocomplete or more advanced ones like Helium 10 can help you find keywords that buyers are searching for right now. Combining the right keywords with a clean design gives you the perfect formula for more clicks and sales. And don't overlook reviews. Even though you don't have inventory to ship, both Merch by Amazon and KDP allow customers to leave reviews on your products. A handful of positive reviews can skyrocket your sales because they build instant trust. So, encourage your friends, family, or first few buyers to leave an honest review. Once you have that social proof, your listings will look far more appealing to new customers. Both Merch by Amazon and KDP work because you're leveraging Amazon's massive audience. People searching on Amazon are actively looking to buy something, so your listings are instantly in front of potential customers. You don't need expensive software, advanced marketing, or a large budget to get started. You just need to be resourceful and willing to put in a little effort at the start. Another advantage is scalability. With Merch by Amazon, once your design starts selling, you can reinvest your royalties to expand into other niches, or even start selling private label products later. With KDP, once your ebooks gain traction, you can create a library of books targeting different interests or niches, increasing your potential income exponentially. Both methods are low risk and beginner friendly because you don't have to manage physical inventory or customer complaints. Finally, if you're looking to turn this into a full-time business, you can combine these strategies with affiliate marketing. Sites like ClickBank provide thousands of products in different niches that you can promote via your ebooks or even through your product listings. This allows you to earn commissions without ever buying or storing products yourself. Beginners have made $100 to $1,000 per month just using these strategies, and advanced sellers scale this to thousands per month by leveraging multiple designs, ebooks, and affiliate promotions. So, that's the complete walkthrough for selling on Amazon without buying products. You've learned how to use Merch by Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and affiliate marketing to get started with zero upfront investment, minimize risk, and scale your business over time. By starting small, testing your ideas, and leveraging Amazon's massive audience, you can begin earning income online even as a complete beginner. Once you're ready and have built some capital, you can transition into private label products and grow your business even further. By the way, if you want to take your dropshipping game to the next level, you can check out Sell the Trend, an AI-powered dropshipping tool. The link is in the description where you can try it for 14 days for just $1.